If you own one of these, or if you own a Surface Pro 3, 4 and 5, you should sell it urgently in 2021. Let me give you my 3 reasons. Reason 1, Windows 11 is about to be launched. Today is October 1st, 2021. Windows 11, which promises a lot, will only be compatible with devices running an 8th gen processor or later. What does that mean for the Surface Pro Surface Book 1? Surface Book 1 runs a 6th gen processor, so officially will not be supported. I'm sure later on there'll be people who will be able to tweak it so it runs, but officially it's not supported. That applies as well to the Surface Pro 3, 4 and 5. The Surface Pro 3 runs a 4th gen, and even the Surface Pro 5 runs a 7th gen processor, so not supported. But what does that mean to you? It means that you can still run Windows 10. Windows 10 will still be supported. Microsoft have said they will be supported until 2025. So you'll keep getting the updates all the time. But after that date, no more updates, no more security updates. So you can still run after 2025 on these devices, but it will not be supported, no security, so you're left on your own risk. So, but it still works. But bear that in mind, because Windows 11 promises a lot. We all hope it's not going to be a flop like Windows 8, but we'll see. So that's one of my reasons why you should sell it. Second reason, and it's kind of linked with the first one. So those devices, they're not supported. Basically, as soon as people realize, or there hasn't been a lot of marketing around Windows 11, but as soon as people start hear about them and they will not be able to run Windows 11 on their devices, they'll start flogging the market with them. So it means that if you wait, potentially you'll get less money for your device. So if you sell it now, you'll be able probably to get much higher price, or maybe not much higher price, but higher price. So that's one of the reasons. The other reason is you could wait until the market's flooded with loads of second-hand devices running 7th gen and earlier processors, and buy yourself something very cheap, and then you can carry on using Windows 10. So that's my second reason. The third reason is batteries. Batteries don't last forever. After a while, you lose capacity on batteries. The cells inside the batteries degrade, and capacity goes from initially, when it was a design time, from 100% to 80%, and sometimes even 30%, and then means that you have to keep being plugged in all the time. So if you travel a lot, that may be a problem for you. So bear that in mind. So that's my 3 reasons, because battery is very difficult to replace on those. You have to heat up the screen, etc. And the quality of the batteries you buy on eBay, it's appalling. And even on Amazon, they're not very good batteries. They're cheap, and you wasted a lot of time taking the device apart, and then at the risk of breaking the screen. It's not an easy process, and then you put something that the battery that's very low quality. So bear that in mind. Bear that in mind when you do that. But that's my 3 reasons. But as I said, if you're happy with the Surface and they're fantastic devices, keep using it. But bear that in mind, you won't be able to run Windows 11. So thank you everyone for watching, and see you soon in the next video.